Hi, I'm Lee. I'm here to introduce you to our Great Lakes chair, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. One thing I just wanted to mention at this particular moment is that you will get a standard Allen key inside your kit of parts. I tend to prefer to use the Allen bit in a drill. It's a lot faster. At this point, I just want to explain that if you are using a drill instead of an Allen key, it's a good idea to remove the second last and third last slat from the back to give yourself enough room to get the drill in and to tighten those screws. Another really important thing to remember when you're doing this is to get all the screws started into their holes before you go and tighten everything up. This is a very hard wood, and if you tighten other screws and you can't get that last one in, it's because the wood is so hard. If you start them all and then get everything seated and then go ahead and start tightening, you won't have any problems. There's nothing better to get the screws as tight as possible than actually going back to the Allen key just at the end to give it a good torque. So that's what I like to do after all the screws are kind of seated, put in with the drill as I go back and really tighten them up with the Allen key. And perhaps the most important part of the instructions. Just sit, relax with your favorite drink, and enjoy nature. Hope you enjoy your chair.